Alright, so here we are. Engine transmission transfer case combination. Partially bolted together. Ready to go back into the vehicle. Just lower these mounts here, right there. Back onto these mounting points. Hit your button. Like a more flexitalic gasket or something, and we got a jig so that we can try. Alright, so the danger to manifold is diminished a bit. Had a buddy help me by welding up this crack. So now I've got that is the smoothest clutch feel I have ever felt in this car. Well, it's been a year since I've had this feeling. I've established the clutch goes in. It's pretty soft, softer than I'm ever used to. But here we go.